going forward, of course, my favorite carpets, right? Dirty, ugly. In that sense, not much to see in the storage, but let's take a look. Wow, we got another flavor of wallpaper here, and a little fun room. You can see bedroom follow the hallway pattern when it comes to wallpaper. Bathroom feels like you're in part of a forest or something. And this is another one, another bathroom, another bedroom, and you can see. Well, thank you for following, and I hope you enjoy the excitement and surprise as I can see so far, and follow for more videos in the future. See you next time.